Welcome back to Eagle Discovery. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of things that can only be found in the land of the rising sun. Have you ever thought about bathing with strangers or celebrating Christmas with fried chicken instead of turkey? Japan, a country renowned for its unique and sometimes strange customs, will leave you amazed with experiences you won't find anywhere else in the world. From blue traffic lights and koi fish swimming in drainage channels to the concept of renting a girlfriend, Japan will make you question, do these things really exist? Before we dive into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our exciting content. Now, let's explore this mysterious and surprising world that will keep you hooked from start to finish. Number 15. Public bathhouses. Have you ever imagined bathing with strangers? It may sound strange, but in Japan, this is a daily routine that might truly surprise you. Sentō, these public bathhouses, are not just places for personal hygiene, but also a deep-rooted cultural tradition that dates back to the 6th century. The Edo period was the golden age of sentō, where they became community hubs, where people came not only to cleanse their bodies, but also to recharge after a long day. Here, soaking in hot spring water not only relaxes your muscles, but also provides an incredible mental refreshment. But before you step into this world, there are some rules you need to know. Although most sentō nowadays allow people with tattoos, some still restrict this due to tattoos being historically associated with the Yakuza, Japan's organized crime syndicate. Additionally, sentō are typically gender segregated, but remember, this is a public space, meaning you'll be sharing it with many others. At first you might feel a bit strange or even shy, but imagine sinking into hot, steaming water, letting all the tension in your body melt away. It's an experience like no other. And don't forget, after enjoying this incredible relaxation, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Number 14. Cat cafés. If you're a cat lover, Japan is the wonderland you've been searching for. Picture yourself sipping on a fragrant cup of coffee, while a soft, purring cat curls up beside you. Cat cafés aren't just places to enjoy a drink. They're warm, peaceful havens designed to bring maximum joy and comfort to both you and these furry companions. First appearing in Osaka, cat cafés quickly became a phenomenon, spreading throughout Japan. Today, Tokyo alone boasts over 39 cat cafés, turning them into oases in the bustling city. What makes these cafés so special? It's not just the chance to pet adorable cats, but the serene and tranquil atmosphere they offer, a stark contrast to the fast-paced city life. In a city where rent is high and pets are often not allowed in apartments, these cat cafés have become a sanctuary for animal lovers. The coffee might be a bit pricier, but what you're really paying for is the unique experience of being surrounded by these lovable, furry friends. Don't be surprised if you leave with a few cat hairs on your clothes. It's just part of the charm of this place. Before you visit, remember to take off your shoes and leave your worries at the door. As soon as you step inside, you'll feel the peace and calm, with the sole purpose of enjoying wonderful moments with these adorable cats. Number 13. Koi fish in drainage channels. Can you believe that a drainage channel could become home to beautiful, vibrant koi fish? It seems impossible, but in the city of Shimabara on Kyushu Island, Japan, nature and urbanization have miraculously combined to create a unique sight. In most cities, drainage channels are breeding grounds for trash and pollution. But in Shimabara, the crystal-clear waters flowing through the channels have turned them into a paradise for hundreds of colorful koi fish. Koi, known for their stunning beauty and exceptional longevity, usually require extremely clean water to survive. However, in Shimabara, they not only survive, but thrive in an environment that few could have imagined. The story of how they came to be here is equally astonishing. In 1792, a devastating earthquake and tsunami struck the city, but also brought fresh water springs that began flowing through the channels. These waters created a new ecosystem, providing the perfect home for koi. Today, Shimabara is known as the City of Swimming Carp, where anyone can easily witness the enchanting sight of koi, gliding through the clear waters right in the middle of the city. It's a vivid testament to nature's miraculous resilience and Japan's ability to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Walking through the streets of Shimabara and witnessing this unique phenomenon is an unforgettable experience that you can only find in this part of the world. Number 12. Blue traffic lights. Have you ever stopped to think about how common traffic light colors actually are? In most parts of the world, red means stop, yellow or amber signals caution, and green gives us the go-ahead. However, in Japan, the rules change with one surprising twist that's sure to catch your attention. Their traffic lights are blue instead of green. This surprising change isn't a mistake or a whim, but rather the result of a rich linguistic and cultural history. To understand the mystery behind Japan's blue traffic lights, we need to delve into the development of the Japanese language. In modern Japanese, AO refers to blue and Midori to green. However, in ancient Japanese, there was no clear distinction between these two colors. Both were simply different shades of AO. When Japan first adopted traffic lights, the color they used was green, but true to their linguistic heritage, the Japanese still called it AO. This inconsistency caught the attention of linguists and experts who argued with the government about how to use the term correctly. To avoid a fundamental change in an established term, a unique solution was found. Instead of altering the name, it was decided to use a shade of green that was blue enough to still be called AO. So, as you explore the streets of Japan, don't be surprised to see traffic lights that seem to defy global conventions. While it may seem unusual at first, you'll realize that regardless of the color, the message remains the same. Keep going. This is just one of the many ways Japan preserves its traditions while adapting to the modern world, offering a travel experience as unique as the country's history. Number 11. Square watermelons. Have you ever seen a square fruit, especially one as common as watermelon? These intriguing fruits not only capture attention with their perfect cube shape, but have also become a symbol of Japanese creativity and precision. As you stroll through the aisles of a Japanese supermarket, you might come across these watermelons displayed as if they were real works of art, carefully arranged to highlight their uniqueness. However, before you're tempted to take one home, there's something you should know. These watermelons are not a cheap snack. With prices starting at $100 and sometimes soaring even higher, buying a square watermelon is more about making a style statement than satisfying a culinary need. And what makes them so special? Surprisingly, aside from their geometric shape, there isn't much difference in taste. These watermelons have the same flavor as traditional ones, though their distinctive shape makes them a bit easier to cut into even slices. The story behind these square watermelons is fascinating. Originally designed in the 1970s by a farmer looking for a more practical way to store and transport watermelons, these square fruits were molded in glass boxes as they grew to achieve their cubic form. Over time, they became a coveted luxury item, perfect for gifts or as decorative pieces at special events. In Japan, where aesthetics and functionality are equally valued, square watermelons have found their place as a symbol of craftsmanship and elegance. Would you dare to try one? Number 10. Capsule hotels. Have you ever considered staying in a capsule hotel? If the thought of tight spaces makes you uncomfortable, it might not be your first choice. But imagine a small space that somehow feels incredibly cozy. They're perfect for budget travelers. But even if money isn't an issue, many people choose capsule hotels just for the unique experience. Picture this: a snug little sleeping pod with a comfy mattress, a soft blanket, a pillow, and just enough space for your essentials. You even have your own light to set the perfect mood. Need a shower? No problem. Just grab a shower card. These capsules are ideal for an affordable overnight stay, usually costing around $30. And if you're looking for something a bit fancier, some high-end capsule hotels offer upgraded amenities. It's a must-try experience. Number 9. Wine, coffee, and green tea baths. Now imagine sinking into a luxurious bath infused with green tea, wine, or even coffee. Why settle for an ordinary soak when you can elevate your relaxation at the exotic Unison Spa Resort in Japan? It might sound a bit far-fetched, but hey, you only live once, right? At Unison, you can indulge like royalty with a wine bath. It's not just about luxury. Legend has it that bathing in wine has health benefits, with even Cleopatra praising its rejuvenating effects. Looking for something different? How about a sake bath to smooth your skin, or a green tea bath to boost your immunity? Stepping into Unison Spa Resort is like entering a fairy tale world. And if you can't start your day without coffee, you'll love their coffee bath to kickstart your morning, brewed with fresh coffee from Hakone's natural hot spring water. It's the perfect way to refresh and recharge. 8. Bullet trains. Let's talk about Japan's famous bullet trains, also known as Shinkansen. These high-speed, sleek trains are the epitome of speed and convenience. Although finding your routes might seem a bit daunting at first, a little pre-trip research will make everything clear. Japan's railway system is extensive, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it easy to navigate. The Tokaido Shinkansen, one of the most popular lines, zips between Tokyo, Nagoya, Kyoto, and Osaka, making it the oldest and most used route. These trains are engineering masterpieces, reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. And they're not just fast, they're incredibly punctual, reflecting Japan's respect for time. The next-gen Alpha X trains are even faster, with speeds that could reach 250 miles per hour. But don't worry, for safety, they'll keep the speed at 225 miles per hour. Riding the bullet train isn't just about getting to your destination. It's also a fantastic way to see Japan's breathtaking landscapes as you speed through. Number 7. Sophisticated toilets. When we travel, one of the first things we wonder about is the bathroom situation, right? Are they clean? Easy to use? Well, in Japan, you're in for a treat. Japanese toilets are not only spotless but also super high-tech. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. These toilets come with built-in bidets that you can control to clean both front and back to your liking. Just press a button, and you're done. And that's not all. Many have heated seats to keep you warm in the winter, and some even have air-conditioned rims for those hot summer months. They also come with air deodorizers to keep everything fresh, and the luxury models have speakers and glow-in-the-dark features. The control panels might look a bit confusing at first, but once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without these fancy toilets. They'll definitely enhance your travel experience in Japan. Number 6. Kawaii culture. If you're into anime, you've probably heard the term kawaii. In Japan, kawaii culture is everywhere. It's not just about cute cartoon characters. It's a whole vibe. Kawaii is all about things that are cute, charming, and just plain adorable. From fashion to everyday items, kawaii is deeply woven into Japanese culture. Just take a walk down the streets, and you'll see it everywhere. Pikachu and other cute mascots are around every corner, adding a touch of sweetness to daily life. It's like stepping into a world where everything is designed to make you smile. Number 5. Vending machines. Do you think vending machines are just for quick snacks or sodas? In Japan, vending machines are a whole different story. They offer everything from ramen and ice cream to toys, crepes, cakes, and even popcorn. The variety is incredible. Older machines still take coins, but the newer ones allow you to pay by card, making it super convenient. And these machines aren't just for snacks. Some can whip up a hot meal in under a minute. Keep an eye out, and you might even find ones that dispense onigiri, spaghetti, or even face masks. And don't worry about cleanliness. This is Japan, after all. The food is fresh and safe to eat, so go ahead and enjoy the endless options these machines offer. It's an experience you won't want to miss. Number 4. Renting a girlfriend. Here's something you probably haven't heard of before. Renting a girlfriend. Yes, it's a real thing in Japan and a booming business. Various companies offer this service where you can browse online and choose from a list of available girls. It might sound a bit unusual, but it's actually quite popular, especially with tourists who want to experience something uniquely Japanese. The girlfriend rental industry has strict standards for its employees. Only those who meet specific criteria can work in this field. For instance, if a girl has a boyfriend, she usually needs his consent to apply. The companies prefer candidates who are not only attractive, but also great conversationalists. And it's not just girlfriends you can rent. In Japan, you can rent boyfriends, friends, and even family members. The cost is around $100 for a minimum booking of 2 hours. First-time customers may get a free selection, but after that, you might need to pay a small fee to pick your companion. It's a fascinating glimpse into Japan's rental culture. Number 3. Lack of trash cans. Japan is famous for being incredibly clean and safe, with Tokyo regularly ranking as one of the safest cities in the world. But here's something that might surprise you. There are hardly any trash cans around. Walking through the bustling streets of Tokyo, you might find yourself searching everywhere for a place to toss your trash. This might seem strange, especially in such a clean country, but there's a reason for it. The decision to reduce the number of public trash cans stems from a tragic event in 1995, the sarin gas attack on the Tokyo subway. On March 20th, members of a cult released deadly sarin gas during the morning rush hour, killing and injuring thousands. The gas was hidden in plastic bags and newspapers, leading the authorities to remove many trash cans to prevent a similar incident in the future. So when you're in Japan, be prepared to hold onto your trash until you find a designated bin. It's all about keeping everyone safe. Number 2. KFC for Christmas. Christmas in Japan has a unique twist. Forget the traditional turkey dinner. Here, it's all about KFC. That's right. In Japan, KFC has become synonymous with Christmas, with millions of families opting for fried chicken from this American fast food chain to celebrate the holiday. The tradition started with Takeshi Okawara, the manager of Japan's first KFC, who, after hearing foreigners talk about missing turkey at Christmas, came up with the idea of offering a special party barrel on Christmas Day. This clever marketing move struck a chord with the Japanese people, and before long, it became a national tradition. Unlike your typical KFC takeout, the Christmas party barrel is a more elaborate affair, often including cake and wine to add a touch of elegance to the meal. It's a unique holiday tradition that you won't find anywhere else in the world. Who knows? Maybe trying KFC for Christmas could start a new tradition for you, too. Number 1. Ichiran Ramen. When you think of Japan, sushi and ramen likely come to mind, two iconic dishes that have won the hearts of food lovers worldwide. Among them, ramen holds a special, irreplaceable place. It's the ultimate comfort food. The secret to a great bowl of ramen lies in the broth. Japanese restaurants take meticulous care in simmering pork bones, seafood, beef bones, fish, and vegetables to create rich, flavorful soups. Every bowl of ramen is a work of culinary art. But what makes Ichiran Ramen stand out from the rest? For those who love peace and quiet or simply need some personal space after a long day, Ichiran is the perfect choice. You'll experience the pleasure of enjoying ramen in a private booth, free from distractions. Just you and your steaming, fragrant bowl of noodles. Ordering is incredibly simple. A customizable menu allows you to select every detail of your ramen just the way you like it. Once you've placed your order, the staff quietly delivers your meal, ensuring you can savor your food without interruption. On top of that, you'll be served complimentary hot water and green tea at your table, adding to the overall relaxation. Ichiran Ramen isn't just a meal. It's a unique dining experience that leaves a lasting impression on every visitor. Japan never fails to captivate with its rich culinary culture and exceptional hospitality, making it a destination that no food lover should miss. If you've had the chance to visit Japan, we'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to explore more of our exciting videos on the channel. Until next time, take care.